This is Spiritual Calamity.
Everyone born of a woman was created and brought to this earth by God. And everyone has an angel, two of them. There is an angel that is supposed to guide you and lead you. There is also an angel in everybody's life who is in charge of prosperity. This is how God made the earth. God created man and placed them on earth to have dominion. So listen, if you are not dominating in anything that you are doing, or in the field where you are, or you're not dominating in every sector of your life, things are not working out well the way you want it to, it simply means that your prosperity angel is not working the way it's supposed to. Now, unfortunately, most people do not even know the name of their angel. So let me tell you this. If you happen to come to me, I sit you down, I look into your life spiritually deeper. We get into it, and then we get to know what angel is you, or which one is your angel. Now we will now in the spirit realm use the Bible to invoke or evoke that angel to speak, or to speak to us either physically or through dreams. Then will tell us the name. Once you know that secret, trust me, no one will be able to overshadow you. No one will be able to override you. You are now set for greatness. Let me make you understand this, that Abraham had an angel, and the Bible says that after God spoke to him, there was also a point in time where there were men who were coming from somewhere, and Abraham sat down and perceived that these are angels from God. And the Bible says that Abraham got up and went to cook for them. Now let me make you understand it. Don't get it twisted. Listen to this. There are angels that are walking on this earth that are physical. Those people, this is how you get to know them. Usually no one understands them. See, Baba, if somebody listening to me, you are at the point where no one understands you, it simply means that there's something inside of you. Are you also somebody that everybody think that you must go down, but they still keep you rising? Are you somebody that you have a special passion that you must not be in the current position, you must go up? Listen, this is the point. You are the one I'm talking to. I'm saying, take your time and make time. Come, let's research. Let's find out what angel work for you and how you can also rise up from that pain where you are and from that shame where you are. I challenge you that the time has come. As I said, Africa is waking up. There is an awakening of spiritual knowledge. God is going to be served in the right way. The power of Jesus Christ is going to be utilized in the right way. The time has come when we need to demonstrate that Satan has no power. Now, let me tell you something very, very important, and I'm closing with this one. In the modern day Christianity, Satan has been made more powerful than God. Let me make you understand why. Why am I saying this? We live in a society, if anybody performs a miracle, if anybody moved in the spirit, that person is a Satanist. You are listening to me. You don't even know your spiritual number. You don't even know your spiritual code. So you just get up and go anywhere. You just wake up and wear any color. Every day has a color you must wear. And everything that you do, every occasion, you can see my dress has blue, it has red, it has yellow, and it has green. It is not normal. I know why I'm wearing this color. Let me make you understand this. You need to find out spiritual secrets and spiritual codes. Trust me, the time has come for the awakening, and it is time for us to rise into the next level. Don't doubt yourself. You can make it also, and you can rise again, and again. God richly bless you. Tell me, you need to help me to subscribe to this channel. We need at least over 1,000 subscribers this month. And I'm talking to 5 people that are serious, that are saying that we want to tap into the next level of power. I need you to make time and make an appointment. My number to call is 078-981-3074. 078-981-3074. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please, when you subscribe, press the notification button, and then you get notification every time when I post. Please share this broadcast. Let somebody be blessed also.